I have 3 seedlings growing from my lace-leaf Japanese maple tree. How do I care for them, and when can I move them? And this is from Jim. So guess what?
We just talked about
We
that.
kind of talked about that a little bit.
We're both guilty of digging up seedlings from under maples. Have you done that yet, Chris?
I haven't done it yet.
No.
And I actually have 2 Japanese maples at home, but I haven't done it yet.
Yeah.
They transplant fine. They're pretty easy. I like to wait till cool weather. I have done it this time of year. Just pot them up real quickly, put them in a shady area until they get really well adapted, then put them into a partial sun. But ideally, I would say wait till they're dormant this fall. They're pretty hardy.
And make sure you dig around them so you don't just pull up the roots, because you want those fibrous roots at the bottom.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. So they're pretty easy to care for.
Yeah.
For the most part.
Don't plant them too deep in the pot.
All right.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.